Mame Mao Akwaba and found Bragan and Sam TV GH so what frame me Ajua searching.
Thieves, the so-called CSOs, all of them are quiet. Now let me tell you something. And Prof. can say, CSOs are no makasa kasa no omuwe. How do you expect them to talk when the same CEOs who head these CSOs are now appointees of the government? What do you want them to come and say? When they were in opposition, and then Prof. way, Iman Inumni Adiomo Kasa, we told Ghanaians, John Mahama has only one thing to do, one thing to say. PBR say, only one job he had. And Ghanaians got into that stupidity. Today we have the leader of ASEPA, such a useless Thompson boy, small boy, and the mining commission, or no, deputy CEO, deputy director, mining commission. But when they sit on TV, they're neutral. How do you tell me, say, so we have pay for the bottom for who pick the Wobel go school and only had the papa? Obi ye ukrom atabesabe atakwa medan yeguo mukrama ukotama asphalt. No one obi to say ASEPA sami jemfi abeda den sami jemfi gold board ono na da no. Ye twa budget yama Ghana no. Obi ade ye twa man the cities sami jemfi de ye twa ne dollars mu na ma no. Stupid entities walking around like they are PhD holder, they are this and they are all empty. And it is all because now, have you seen what the American government is doing to Ghana now? You see what the FBI is doing?
Oh, yeah.
Exactly, because they know the thieves are in power. And when the thieves are in power, they move. And once you move, crime, this is how crime works, eh? People to sell fraud in their DNA. Also where they move. Once you come and you want to make that your main job, you get exposed, and that's what happened. Most of these boys see cocaine dealers near they told Sam Mahama is coming and business is going to go. But we are in an AI world whereby everything you do, Mr. Bansa, everything you do can be found. Don't be stupid. These days, yes, can see a new fraud in your no be nada ube din na the mawacha 3 months 4 months police people dying onipa who use ni ID no ne ho beba asem. But they thought a criminal government is in power, so let us use this is the time for us to move our cocaines. This is the time to move our fraud things. This is the time, as for Mahama, he will allow you to transfer big amount of money that he doesn't know where it's from to come into your Ghanaian account. So let us go put him to work. You are there calling such a man a scammer. He is a demon and a demonic entity that if Ghanaians don't open their eyes, Mahama will run this country down to the zero because he has already started. Now, what beats my mind about young Ghana for they say we are too, first and foremost, stupidly tribal. And the reason I say stupidly tribal, I mean, I forgive my choice of, this is buga. Forgive my choice of word, but they are stupidly tribal because number one, he's an Ashanti man, He's married to a Votarian, has 3 kids, and because of politics, you can stand somewhere. Jimmy I been no so ne sabi because we need na war, oni akani na war. Ono so to vote ho. Say akani Jimmy for akani aboa. So you are being stupid. That tribal don't make sense. Because some pass Antini asem de ni kwan say bi owo ni asantini be ma ana asantini ba akoda ne wo. O say ni nkwasiafo. Pe vote ni asem de ni kwan say woni voter region ni ba akowa na be ma kowo. But is that what happens? No. And funny now, sawa re ni po na eche. Oba ni free baby now free by you vote abwe no na eche o ene dey waru kuro ni Mr. Bansa na ni aye ne say waru kuro ni bebre ni na wade agugu. Ghanaians needs to wake up. Mr. Bansa, the way on your politics in air time because John Mahama on any given day Mahama shouldn't be given a chance anyway.
Yeah,
you give
that is true. It's very obvious, His first term, even recently before he took over power, we all had the promises that he made. He has reneged on almost all of them. What has he done so far?
Now, here is my fight. This is why I get angry. I'm a woman. When President Kufuor was leaving, he left free maternal care and national health insurance. When Mahama was leaving, those two things were non-existent. Nana Akufo-Addo comes to at least bring one of them to light by paying 1.2 billion that we owed on the national health insurance scheme that we had not paid service providers. Paid it and made it viable. Made sure he had the what? Dialysis, food, diabetic patient, medication is on the national health insurance scheme. These are the things Nana-Addo and Bawumia NPP government did. They did this for the country's health. But we sat down for a dining hall prefect to come and tell us, say, it is not good. If a government comes in and a government provides a health amenities or give you these health facilities, the government hasn't done anything. As a matter of fact, they enter. And you believe it. This person comes to power now, like, Kando doesn't even have sense no more. But in opposition, very loud. As we speak, the National Health Insurance Scheme, after everything we have done to sustain it for 8 years, these people are finding it hard to even keep it up. They've already taken the dialysis off it. If you don't know, and very soon they are going to descend on the diabetic patient. One more diabetes, one, and there's no money dialysis to every almost no, and this is for the TS diabetes, one so. Now, I'm drone now. I'm sabi abind the mom kakra no. Sika ya debe ton beba to Mahama na sabi na krom fo esabi. Omo go to mutino. Na nkoto drone no. Enti ya no so e dey free national insurance no so. Enti Mr. Bansa, o when beba mo so no, you have a card and it doesn't really cover anything. Is that the Ghana they ask for? Somebody tells you, say, me, don't go for development fund. So sorry, today is not about Bawumia, but let me chip this in. Mr. Bansa, Bawumia is the most qualified person to lead Ghana as it stands now. There is no candidate, NPP, NDC, CPP, PNC, from the sea, from the boat, from the sky. There is nobody in Ghana at this moment can be the sovereign king or the sovereign president that will work. And we are like Mahmoud Bawumia, and it is clear. It is clear. Dr. Bawumia himself, what do you mean? Dr. Bawumia himself. A man and a year business. Mr. Bansa, it alone in Ghana, it's not a joke. The collateral and one year, so what they back. It's most women checking out. On person of the Kwakwaji branch, never yet that Jonah Tomoso. Grade na bank to Lee, Adi, and a bank one I'm a koji yo. They say Scanish, no, soon, open one of the activities. I know who. Dr. Bawumia said, my younger development fund. Oh, your bar. Na we yeska wabaho wabeton will propose an actually na yes we know am our adwene a we betumi ayi na am startup now all the akoye wadwuma. This is a fund, it is a grant the government is giving you. Now what from John Mahama dada will say go be see women's bank am a women na ma me Jane o lady panke now I and wig say o buy o free yi o koda yi England o say wan buy ye hu bi o what be them. What make them? Oh, Bama, a bro for party way, a ready for party, and this way, I saw a baby, who answered their mammy, Jane, or